So I've just restarted the engine after having a short period in the supermarket. Engine started easy enough, no hunting at idle. Rev the engine, revs drop, she almost stalls, she recovers. And now the revs are sitting a little bit low. Give it another little rev. Almost stalls, revs come back up. Right now she's fluctuating. Up and down. Now this is the curveball. Operate the brake. Oh. There you go, off the brake, the revs come up. And she's hunting a little bit. So this is what happens. So it's going up and down, then it stabilises. Press the brake. Yeah. It's hunting. That's with the brake pressed. Right, and then she stabilises. Kind of. Brake off. Up. Not too bad with the revs. I reckon vacuum leak. I've yet to test her. Any ideas? Say full running temperature. I reckon vac leak. Any opinions appreciated. Cheers.